So this is a quick example, just looking at how to calculate power and whether the power is absorbed or delivered. So what we're asked to do is to calculate what is the absorbed power and delivered power for each of these elements. So we will call this element A and this one B. So for A, we know that power absorbed is defined as, or we'll say PA, is just the voltage times the current. So in this case, we see the voltage here is 2 volts and the current there is 3 amps. So plug that in. We'll have 2 volts times 3 amps. And of course, that gives us 6 watts. So now, if we look at power delivered, call that PD. So in that case, it's going to be minus V times I. So in this case, it'll be minus 2 volts times 3 amps. So that's going to be negative 6 watts. Similarly, we can do the same thing for the B element. So PA, in this case, we see that we have 3 volts and 3 amps here. So when we plug these values in, we see that, again, this is V times I. And so here we are going to have a negative times 3 times a negative 3, because our current is negative, but then our volts, we see that our current is negative here. We also see our voltage polarity has been swapped, so that's why we have 2 negatives there. One negative is for the polarity being swapped, the other negative is for the negative current. So when we multiply that out, 3 times 3, the negatives cancel out, so we get 9 watts. Similarly, the delivered power is negative V dot I. So in this case, we're just going to have 3 times negative 3 amps, which gives us negative 9 watts. So these are the solutions to the values that they asked us to calculate.